flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been.
What's up, guys? Today I'm here with Myfirstwig, same packaging as always, really nice clean red and white box. So I have a wig cap. Ooh, they were nice enough to send some face masks. The wig, I got one of these little pouches with a comb and, you know, clips in there. I also got one of these. This is one of those grip headbands that used to apply your wig, and this is really and truly like the focus of today's wig video, because today we're not doing any glue, we're not doing any adhesive. This is all we're doing, so I'm about to jump into that. Apart from that, I got a flyaway tamer, and guys, I got one more of these. Listen, I plan on getting as much as these as I can from Myfirstwig. I love this. It is amazing. This is the only glue I've been using for the past couple months. From the day they sent me this, I don't look at a next glue. I got suggestions on other glues, and I've tried glues that were very hyped up, and I see hairstylists use them and it look good, but I don't know for some reason. Maybe I need to get some more practice with those glues, but I can say if that's the case, then this is beginner friendly, if you understand what I mean, because this it not take no of it dry down and it clear, and I can do 3 to 5 layers without it looking groggy and bubbly on my skin. So I feel like, I don't know what it is in the formula, but I love it. My edges don't get disrupted at all. Of course, I'm not applying it on my edges, but I don't have any issues with this glue. I can give you guys a full-on review of Myfirstwig lace glue. All right, the glue bad. I absolutely love it. Anytime you hear me say from one day, like when you hear me installing my wigs with a glue, this is the glue that I am using, guys. This is the glue, and I had to get another one. Like, I was so happy. I had to let them know that, listen, your glue is really good. Right, so today's wig, this is what we're working with. It's a silky straight texture. It's 20 inches long. It's a natural hair color, and it's a medium cap size. It's so full, like it's really nice and full. It's a 13x4 lace front, and it's a HD Swiss lace. So, and the lace color is light brown, so of course top tier lace. It has elastic bands on the inside and a total of 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. I love this. So as I tell you guys, you know, no adhesive for this install today, so I'm pretty excited. It's been a while since I've, you know, installed my wig once more like this, so no product at all to install it. We're gonna do that and just, you know, give it a bone straight. Okay, so this ensures even more security on my head. All right, so before I slip on the wig, I'm just gonna get the grip. So this is how it looks. So it has these small parts, like it's very gritty, as you can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slip it on. It's not too tight, because that's good, because if anything is too tight on my head, I'm gonna get a headache. So it's not too tight. This is actually my second time wearing a grip. The first time I don't recall if I actually like gave you guys a video. This is not bad at all. This is not bad. It's literally just sitting. It's not slipping or anything. I'm very confident in this. The first time I tried it, it wasn't as smooth. It's not bad. And I feel like the elastic band, in the extra elastic band inside, really help with you know, even more security and just holding it in place more. I feel like this kind of method is perfect for people who just don't want to have a wig confined to their head for too long. I'm gonna cut away the excess hair, like on the lace front that doesn't fit. So I'm just gonna pretty much cut away the excess lace. This is so, like, even though I show you guys once before, it feels so new to me because I've never, like, this is not what I do on a regular. Whoa, wait, I cut away the lace that you can see. Can you see the lace? I cannot see the lace. It's really undetectable. It's laying super flat, but I feel like the grip really helps to just make it, you know, kind of hug on to your hairline. So literally absolutely no adhesive. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just like get this really bone straight. I'm gonna get my flat iron, go in and just get it as straight as possible. But I feel like this looks so good. It looks really good, and it's not shifting. As you can see, it's not shifting, and that's because of the grip. You don't have to be worried about like walking outside and the wind blowing off your wig.
Since I could remember, that told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret.
No one can tell me that I don't have an adhesive. Plus, what makes this even more of a plus, you notice I don't do no baby hair up to now, no swoops. That's how good this lace is reacting. Like, let me come up close and give you a comb through. You guys see that? Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. No adhesive, no baby hairs, no swoops. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, yes. For all the girls who don't have the time, who is a beginner, who just want to slip on and go but you don't want a headband wig, yes, this is it. This is the one. The hair, very fluid and nice. It feels so good. No product, no nothing, only the wig grip. Okay, let me show you. See, no, nothing not there. See there? See there? Shifting it. Shifting it. It's a 10. Shout out to Myfirstwig. Myfirstwig. This was rather quick. Yeah, it's definitely quicker because you're not using any product or anything to lay the hair, and it's kind of just a thing of placement and your preference and all of that, you know. So it was really, really quick. It was very easy. It's very beginner friendly. What more can you ask for in a wig, right? And it's so natural looking. No baby hair is needed. None. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig, guys. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumb up, okay? go ahead and give this video a thumb up. All the specifications on this wig will be in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. If you want this wig, it's down there, go get it, okay? If I do have any discount codes, I'll be sure to go ahead and put it down there as well, so you can make use of that if there's any. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to also check out my vlog channel at PetiteSweet TV, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never